My day at school. My favorite subject. I wake up early in the morning and get ready for school. I have breakfast and then I leave for school. Once I get to school, I attend my classes and participate in different activities such as sports, music, or drama rehearsals. During lunchtime, I eat with my friends and catch up on the latest news. After school, I may attend some extracurricular activities or go home and do my homework. Finally, I have dinner with my family and then I go to bed, ready for another day at school. Today was a great day at school. I started off with my favorite subject, biology. We learned about the different types of cells and how they function. It was so interesting to see how everything in our body works together. After that, I had English class where we analyzed a poem. I love how literature can make you feel so many different emotions. Throughout the day, I was able to catch up with some of my friends during lunch and recess. It's always nice to have some social time during the school day. Overall, I really enjoy going to school because I love learning new things and being able to apply them in the real world. It's also great to spend time with friends and make new connections.
Let's practice. School day. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. After breakfast, I leave for school. After breakfast, I leave for school. I attend my classes and take part in different activities. I attend my classes and take part in different activities. During lunchtime, I eat with my friends. During lunchtime, I eat with my friends. After school, I attend extracurricular activities. After school, I attend extracurricular activities. After school, I do my homework. After school, I do my homework. I like having some social time during the school day. I like having some social time during the school day. I spend time with friends and make new connections. I spend time with friends and make new connections. I like going to school. I like going to school.